What you see in the background here is really the heart and soul of what we do at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Before we get here, this is merely a cinder block building. But when we arrive, it's transformed into this working garage area and what you can see, highly media-ized center. The graphics, large, demonstrating our past victories here at Le Mans, proudly touting the Chevrolet and Corvette logos and banners. This is all part of the majesty of the 24 Hours of Le Mans. As much as it is a technical exercise, it's a marketing exercise. Because here at the 24 Hours, you're going to be demonstrating your capabilities, your product, and your team to one of the largest audiences in the world. Over 350,000 people will be attending. Almost 500 million people will be watching live on TV. So this is your best foot forward. This is the face to the world right here. We spend many, many hours in developing this garage. Not only does it have to be efficient, but it has to have that marketing air to it as well. And I think you can see as you pan around that we've accomplished that. This is all about what Le Mans is. It is an amazing event, far more than just a car race.